What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this for the very first time, remember to subscribe. Well guys, you remember sometimes back I did a video about this plane. Imagine turning a huge plane into 8 million restaurant. This is what is happening here. We call it the pride of Kajiado. This plane is a restaurant going up there. I want to show you what is inside there. And this is the second time I hope so doing this. Yeah, this is the second time doing this video, but if there is some improvement, as I said, I have to show you what is that much improvement. What is this improvement I'm talking about? Actually, starting from here entrance, this plane accommodates 100 clients. Let's just move this, just going in stairs. Let's go. Imagine turning an old plane into a Kenya shillings 8 million restaurant, Club 034, commonly known as the pride of Kajiado. The place has an old Boeing plane that was turned into a state-of-art restaurant where visitors can enjoy their meals inside the plane. The plane is able to accommodate up to 100 clients. It has VIP section in the cockpit, VIP section in the business class, and the regular section in the economy class. In the entrance is a red carpet that welcomes you inside the luxurious, one of the kind restaurant. On outside is an airport experience with tents and chairs where visitors can sit on the runway as they wait to go on board the plane. Food is prepared in the normal plane. Remember the kitchen, normal plane kitchen, and served by waitress dressed as air hostess to give you that on board feelings or experience. Club 034 is just not normal club like you can imagine compared to any other clubs. This club was made from the Boeing 7 plane you're seeing here. This plane was brought here in 2-3 years ago, around 2020, and the owner of this plane decided to turn it into something worth 8 million that Kenya shilling that can serve Kenyans around and even across or outside Kenya. So many Kenyans comes across mostly from Nairobi to just come here and enjoy their meal. Remember, right inside this restaurant, we have fresh refreshments, soft drinks, liquor. Those who like nyama choma, that roasted meat, you'll just order and eat right inside this restaurant on this plane. You need some supernatural ambience, you need some supernatural fresh air. Club 034 is the place to be. Maybe someone might ask somewhere, where is the location? The location is 3 kilometers from Kajiado along Lunga Road. From Nairobi, it's around Nairobi town, it's around 5 to 10 kilometers drive. So if you are watching us for the very first time, remember to subscribe to the channel. Let me know through the comment section your suggestion and your views about Club 034, which is the best and stands out to be unique club in the East Africa. So enjoy watching the video, and there are more video coming on the way. I'm Davy Chams.